Get ready, marketers. The future, and by that I mean the very near future, is about to get a whole lot smarter. I'm talking about a digital marketing landscape transformed by the power of AI. Imagine if you could ditch hours of tedious tasks and let a hyper-intelligent assistant run the show. We are now entering the age of the AI assistant. Think of it like having your very own Jarvis from Iron Man, only instead of flying suits, you have a marketing genius in your pocket. Picture this. You need an email campaign right now? Tell your AI the goal, your target audience, and watch as it whips up a killer draft, complete with personalized subject lines. Need to analyze that mountain of website data? Bam! Instant reports that tell you what's working and what's flopping. It's your 24/7 sidekick for all things marketing. Hyper-personalization will become the new norm with digital marketing. Remember when mass emails and generic ads were the best we could do? Ha! That's like sending messages by carrier pigeon compared to what's coming. AI will know your customers better than their own friends do, maybe even better than they know themselves, okay? This guy is creepy. It'll understand their passions, behaviors, and buying patterns. That means hyper-targeted messages that resonate and feel like a conversation with a loved one that knows you, not a sales pitch from a mega corporation. AI will become more and more creative. Now hold on to your mouse because AI is about to shake up the creative process, like an earthquake. From stunning website layouts to high-converting videos, AI will be your brainstorming buddy, generating ideas, suggesting improvements, even crafting copywriting that sells. Of course, your human touch will always be crucial, but AI will become your superpower to make awesome content faster, if you know how to use it. This should all be exciting for those that look at the big picture and those that accept the way things are and not how they wish they were. So, is AI going to replace marketers? Well, not the smart ones. Think of it like upgrading your toolbox. The boring, repetitive stuff, automated. This frees you up for the big picture thinking no machine can match. Marketers that learn and understand how to incorporate AI into their everyday lives will quickly outproduce those that don't. You'll be strategizing like a chess master, finding those human insights AI can't see. Think deeply about customer experience, brand voice, all the things that make your company unique, while the analog marketers will still be busy doing guest intercepts one by one for customer insights. 2024 and beyond. It's not just about adapting, it's about unlocking a whole new level of marketing brilliance. Ready or not? The age of AI is here. Are you ready to play? Like, comment, and subscribe to Marketing Mechanics now for daily marketing tips and trends so you don't get left behind.